Hi, I'm Lia Cirio, and I'm actually from the Philadelphia area. When I was 16, I auditioned for Boston Ballet, and from there, I have become a principal dancer. I'm celebrating my 21st year, and yeah, it's been a great journey. I actually came to the Rock School for 2 summers. Really cool to be back and give back to a place that gave to me. I think this is like the coolest collaboration. I just love that 2 young artists get to work together, and I think that has been really special for me. Working with the composer, so I messaged her and I said, "What do you see in this music?" And she's Japanese, so she said this was inspired by this place that she always finds herself coming back to, and it's a bamboo grove path in Kyoto. And I found this one image of the bamboos like high up in the sky and 2 people walking slowly towards each other. So that's kind of the premise of my piece and how they interact with each other in this space and how they interact with the surroundings. She delivered such an interesting composition, and I love how it grows as you listen to it and you hear different pizzicato and things like that. First I was a bit, not intimidated, but scared to step back into a school scenario. But these dancers they're ready for a company. They're ready and willing to work as if they're in a company. And I just remember watching the class the other day and being like, I wish I could choose all of them because they're so talented. I can see them pushing themselves in a professional kind of way, and that's been really inspiring for me. I always create to evoke something in the audience's mind or in their emotions, and I think even though it's a lot of fast, quick movement, there is a story that I see, and I hope that they can feel that too.